Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. I just wanted to show you this Honda generator I picked up at a yard sale. It's a Honda EM5000 and it's a 4-stroke single cylinder motor. It's kind of old. I think it's a 11 horsepower or a 13 horsepower. I'm not exactly sure. GX340, I think that's an 11 horse, and then the GX390 I think is the 13 horse. There's a 9 horse as well, but I'm not sure which one that is. But I picked it up and it was cheap. Got it for about $30. We'll have to pull that out and see if the tank's rusty inside. But the owner said it did work. He said it sat for a long time, and his buddy took the carburetor apart to clean it and get it running. And then the project fell apart and the carburetor vanished. So there's no carburetor. It's gone. There's a fuel shutoff solenoid right there, but there's no carburetor. So I don't know. Guess I went online, went to Amazon.com, my new favorite website. I recommend that you check it out. And I picked up this. Just came today in the mail. I'm excited. So there's a new air filter. And in here we have got a spark plug. Looks like a piece of crap. New intake manifold. Fuel filter. And lo and behold, that's my new favorite saying. Here is a knockoff overseas Honda GX340 carburetor. Hua Eriksen, designed in Japan, made probably in China. This stuff's actually pretty good for its price. I think this kit, oh look, there's some gaskets and a new fuel line. This kit I think was about $45 shipped, which is very reasonable. I believe the new carburetor through Honda was almost $300 or more than that. So what I'm going to do is make another video, and I'm going to install, well actually the carburetor is there, sorry, it's just missing the bottom half. Pardon my brain wasn't working briefly. It must be all the fumes in here. Anyway, the carburetor is there. We're just missing the bowl and the related hardware, which is right there. There's the bowl and the hardware. And we've actually got an extra solenoid now, because this solenoid's still here. So I don't know if I should use just the bowl and the main jet and just chuck this in the garbage, or put the whole thing on there. Actually, I could use the rest of this carburetor for this generator over here. I picked up 2 of these on junk day on the side of the road. They're both pretty wrecked. That one's actually a key start, 6500 watt, and that one down there is a 5500 watt. And if you look, the 6500 is missing the carburetor. The 55 has one. So maybe between these 2 generators and what's left of this carburetor, we'll be able to build a second generator to sell. Anyway, we're going to work on the Honda first, because this is a nice unit. We're going to clean it up, do a little service video for you, repair it, and keep our fingers crossed that it fires up and runs. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.